Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony.
Hi,
Say hello, Angela. Hello. So we are here at the what's the thing called? Black Dragon Pirate Cruise. It's right here in the bay, right near the, right here near that thing. Yeah, that's one of those. It's one of those things. So here in Port Isabel. So come on out and we'll take you on the cruise and show you what it's like. Maybe you want to come to the cruise yourself. You never know. It could happen. And we're going to enjoy it and hopefully not get sick, because I'm prone to seasickness. So stay with us.
I'll get my camera out if you're
Stick with us, because you're now entering
the coolest life.
Adventure Edition. So yeah, they got to get shop in there, you know, t-shirts and that kind of stuff. You saw pictures of t-shirts, or maybe you did. If not, you'll see them at the end. This is kind of a cool little place here. Basically a bar. I guess it's open at night. Not much to see here at the bar. I figure all you're going to see is the marina itself. I guess you can see the big cruise ship we're going to be on. That's kind of neat. Not all ceramic, or what do they call it, metal. I guess that looks like it's metal. So that's the main bridge that goes across to South Padre Island, and that's the ship we're going to get on. We'll see more of that in a little bit. Cool. Oh yeah, they're going to start this cannon up and they're going to fire it off. Pushing something in it.
Alright folks, a little bit about this here cannon. She's a 17th century Spanish galleon, and she's capable of firing a 9-pound cannonball. Now just in case you don't know how big that is, just take a look at Miss Mahi Molly's head. That pretty much sums it up right there. However, they don't let us do that anymore. Due to a situation with our beloved causeway, they only allow us to fire this little small pack of black gunpowder. But don't be fooled, folks, because she can still make quite a big bang. So you might want to cover your ears, or if you have hearing aids, you might want to remove them. Nothing. I was talking to them. What about them? Never mind. Wait! Not in there! I'm waiting. Now it's in there. We're going to pull in one day.
Nice. There's a fire.
All right, everybody, fire in the hole!
Hey.
I told you it was going to be loud!
About to get on the boat. It's like fun.
All right, be careful, watch your step.
So they got a full bar back here. Should be fun. Get a drink or whatever. There's just starting people in here. It smells like they got a diesel running this thing too. This is part of the pirate show they have here.
Anchors, how about I teach them how to speak like us pirates and loosen up their tongues a bit? I like it, I like it. Yes, so I'm thinking that the best place to start is going to be with the pirate alphabet. What do you think, Usher? What do you think? You don't know? Well, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I need everybody to follow along with me as I teach you the pirate alphabets. All right, the first letter of the pirate alphabet be I. Let me hear you. I. Now, hang on just a minute, lady. Calm down. You're going to get one. Now I got to go over some more rules. Imagine that. Okay. First things first. No running on the boat. It gets very slippery when wet. Okay? Also, do not stand on this brown hatch. It also gets slippery when wet. Now, if you're upstairs and you want to come down, it's fine. Just please be careful. We don't want anybody to hurt themselves. But
I get all mine too, sir. I know. Here we go. Are we ready? Stick one fist out. Stick the other fist out. Stick one on top of the other. Now switch. Again. One more time. Last time. Wiggle
Now
your
over
elbows.
here is that might be Boca Chica over there.
That was just for fun. What'd you
I
think?
think that's what that is. And
Okay,
that's straight ahead of us. The distance is SpaceX. So they do the building, and over there to the left is the
We're gonna do this
launch
job
pad.
quickly, swiftly, and
We got another video on that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
To sea turtle rescue for food there. Now, a long time ago, they used to take these boats to auction. However, the people that got arrested, they caught on to it, so they would call their family or a friend and say, "Hey, can you go to the auction and get my
Nice
boat back
crow's
for me?"
nest.
Well, then the law caught on to them. So guess what? They don't do that anymore. Now they take the boat up back there. They get a nice stack lamp. Now, folks, normally this is up in the air. On nice days, I mean, it is a nice day today, but I guess they're prepared for some high winds again because they have it facing. So evidently we might be having some high winds.
So this is a great place for the. It's actually part of Boca Chica here, and we've been seeing dolphins coming up here, so it's kind of cool to see dolphins coming up.
Something's coming around with tattoos.
I'm good.
Coming around with the black. And Serena's got a special for winter Texas.
No, I'm good.
No, you're not, sir. Come on.
They got me. Sad day.
I look like that.
It smells like what's that? Whiteout. Well, it smells like whiteout.
I did.
So that is South Padre there. It's a big pole. And they're still doing the one of the show. They got more verbiage. This is the other side of the bridge
Clean like a pirate.
that's going through South Padre to the mainland.
Yes, and some of them even smell like a pirate, but we're not going to point fingers at anybody.
It's a lot of fun. They do
Smell
come with the
them.
show. And they try to be really interactive and stuff, so that's pretty cool. They have sword fights and all kinds of stuff.
He looks behind him. Oh my gosh. You know what? We also taught him how to defend the tractor by fighting with the cord. All right. Can you show him a little better? Come on, it's your turn. Show him what
Good stuff.
Hey, hey.
Good stuff. Well, that was a fun adventure on the boat. They actually got two boats that park here. One's the group's called the Osprey, but I think they got I guess what they call that, a dolphin watching boat. It goes up there, and they actually have a net that scrapes the bottom and picks up different fish and stuff that you can play with, or safely, that is. But that was the boat there, as you can see, and it was a good time to take a look at. So this was a lot of fun, especially if you have a group of people that you know. I think it's a good time, minus the mustache thing here going on. If it wasn't for that, yeah, she got a stamp. Did I get that one wrong? I got one right there. So we're equal opportunity insulters here. So that's okay. I played some background music through a lot of it, and couldn't record most of that, but they do park right here at the pier. This is actually the land side, and that's the island side, so they're just this side of the main bridge there. But if you ever get a chance, come on out here to the pirate boat, the pirate ship here. What's it called? Buccaneer? I forget what it's called. The Black Dragon.
Isabel.
I should know it because I got a koozie right here. So anyway, so Black Dragon in Port Isabel. So be sure to like and subscribe, and if you're in this area, just come on down. We're just out here living.
The coolest life.